And I went on working, and fortunately there were a number of films that came my way after my first release. I was accepted, I was recognized, and I got so many films, one after the other. I played all kinds of roles. Anyway, I went through this whole journey for many years, and I came to a point of life where I had achieved everything. I had everything that I wanted, recognition, I had won awards, I had made a lot of money, I had traveled the world, everything that somebody can hope for, I had got. But yet, something within me kept saying that, no, there is more, there's something that you need to do, which you are not doing. And I could never pinpoint it. And then suddenly, I met my guru. Like he's known as Osho today. In those days, he was known as Rajneesh, Bhagwan Rajneesh. And I went into this path of meditation and spirituality, which was there somewhere inside me for a very, very long time, but it had been, usko daba diya tha maine. I didn't like it to surface because my career, everything else was so important. Anyway, this whole journey started, and I used to have a lot of discontent in my work, with my producers, with my directors, with my story writers, with my co-actors. There used to be a lot of conflict. There used to be a lot of, times where I would go home very dissatisfied with my work. And I could never find out why that is there, because I would really give everything I got into my work. So I spoke to my guru one day, and I'd like to share this with you. I told him this is what is happening with me, that I cannot work with people that I don't agree with. People whose mind and my mind don't think alike. What should I do? Because I come home very dissatisfied. I go home, I can't sleep till very late. So मैं क्या करूं? I think this is something which all of you will face probably tomorrow. So he gave me a very simple answer which I couldn't understand straight away. उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि देखो विनोद, हर आदमी का एक सेल होता है, हाँ, स्पेस होती है जिसमें उसको फंक्शन करना पड़ता है. तो हर किसी का सेल 5x5 है या 7x7 है या 10x10 है, और you're confined in that space. But to feel free of that space, unless you're total 100% in that space with awareness, you will never be able to be satisfied. तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि तुम जहां भी हो, तुम्हें जो भी काम मिलता है, जो भी तुम्हारा डायरेक्टर बोलता है, जो भी तुम्हारा प्रोड्यूसर बोलता है, जितना वाहियात सीन हो, जितना बकवास सीन हो, तुमको बिल्कुल भाता नहीं है, लेकिन तुम वो करो जो वो कह रहे हैं. 100% अपने आप को उसमें डुबो दो. और मुझे लगा कि मैं, because the mind is such a thing that there's so much conflict, करूं नहीं करूं, ये, questions keep coming, you keep fighting. Anyway, I said, let me try this out. And I started doing this. I used to come on the set. And even if I didn't agree with the scene, I didn't agree with so many things that were happening, whether it was production, I just said, मैं बिल्कुल complain नहीं करूंगा, जो मुझे कहते हैं मैं 100% उसमें डूब जाऊंगा. And I swear, I tell you, that changed my entire outlook towards my work. Once I started doing that, but with awareness, वो सारा गुस्सा मेरे अंदर जो था, वो सारा गायब होना शुरू हो गया. I started loving people, I started accepting him. क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा, तुम्हारा जो सेल है, उनका भी वही सेल है. अगर तुम्हारा 7x7 का सेल प्रिजन का सेल है, तो उनका भी प्रिजन का सेल है. अगर तुम उनके साथ झगड़ा करोगे, वो भी घर जाएंगे, वो अपनी बीवी से झगड़ा करेगा, बीवी अपने बच्चों से झगड़ा करेगी. And this cycle continues and nobody then is happy. So to be happy, to be satisfied, all you got to do is be 100% in whatever you're doing, no matter how stupid, no matter how much you disagree with it. But do it. But with awareness. ये मैंने करना शुरू किया and I tell you my whole life changed. And I started enjoying my work, my people, my friends, my colleagues in the industry so much. Everything became so heavenly, I must say, that everything changed. And then I suddenly realized that, my God, इतनी सिंपल सी चीज थी और उसको समझने के लिए मुझे इतना समय लगा. I don't know it's so easy for you to understand it today also unless you start doing it. But when this happened to me, my whole life changed. I was content, happy. I was meditating, 6 hours a day whenever I could find time. In between shots, I would close my makeup room and sit down to meditate. And suddenly, I was a very happy man. And then I went to the Guru again, once in Pune, and he asked me, क्या हो रहा? तो I said, भगवान आपने तो कमाल का मुझे फॉर्मूला दे दिया, मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है आजकल, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, काम कर रहा हूं, मुझे हर चीज में आनंद आता है. तो he smiled at me and he said, ठीक है, अब आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है. And the next thing I knew is that after having, so nicely settled with my work, that I just felt that I can't miss this opportunity of not being with my Guru physically. So I just decided that I must quit the film industry and be with him. And that's the time I decided, and I spent a few years, I quit the industry, spent a few years with him, went with him to America, came back, finished my journey, and then I told him when I came back that I want to go back and work in the film industry. I want to go back and be with my friends and family. And he was so happy. He said, yes, now you can go back. And I came back, started my work again, started everything. And that whole journey that I went through, I'm the most grateful person. I will always be indebted to my Guru. And of course, Gurus are in all your walks of life. Your director is your Guru, your producer is your Guru, your colleagues are your Gurus, because you learn from everybody. And that's what I said, you must listen and learn. But there's an opportunity to learn from everywhere, from everybody.